Introduction. Intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity as a weight loss strategy in recent years, captivating the attention of health enthusiasts and casual dieters alike. This approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing the body to tap into its fat reserves for energy. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of intermittent fasting, its benefits, and how it can be effectively integrated into your lifestyle. Viewers can expect to learn about different fasting methods, the science behind weight loss, and practical tips for getting started. Understanding effective weight loss methods like intermittent fasting is crucial for achieving sustainable results and improving overall health. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting, rather than focusing on what to eat. Common schedules include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Biologically, fasting triggers a shift in metabolism, promoting fat burning and improving insulin sensitivity. Historically, fasting has been practiced for centuries across various cultures for spiritual and health reasons, highlighting its significance beyond mere weight loss. Understanding these principles can help you effectively incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss. Intermittent fasting offers several benefits specifically for weight loss. One of the primary advantages is its ability to enhance fat burning. During fasting periods, the body shifts from using glucose for energy to burning stored fat, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. Additionally, intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to manage blood sugar levels more effectively, which is crucial for weight management. Beyond the physical benefits, intermittent fasting also provides psychological advantages, such as improved discipline and a better relationship with food. By establishing a structured eating pattern, many individuals find it easier to resist cravings and maintain their weight loss goals. Intermittent fasting versus traditional dieting. When comparing intermittent fasting to traditional dieting methods, sustainability is a key factor. Many people find intermittent fasting easier to maintain than strict calorie restriction, as it doesn't require constant calorie counting or food tracking. The flexibility of fasting schedules allows individuals to choose when they eat, making it more adaptable to various lifestyles compared to rigid meal plans. Additionally, intermittent fasting can lead to fewer cravings, as the structured eating windows help regulate hunger hormones and promote a sense of fullness. This can make it easier to stick to the plan without feeling deprived, ultimately supporting long-term weight loss success and healthier eating habits. How to get started with intermittent fasting. Starting intermittent fasting can be straightforward with the right approach. For beginners, popular fasting schedules include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 12/12 method, which is more manageable for those new to fasting. To ease into fasting without discomfort, consider gradually increasing your fasting window over a few days. Staying hydrated and consuming nutrient-dense foods during eating periods can also help. It's essential to listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you feel overly hungry or fatigued, don't hesitate to modify your approach to find what works best for you. Common myths and misconceptions. Intermittent fasting is often surrounded by myths that can deter people from trying it. One common misconception is that fasting leads to muscle loss. However, research shows that intermittent fasting can actually preserve muscle mass when combined with strength training. Another myth is that fasting will leave you constantly hungry and low on energy. Many people report increased energy levels and improved focus during fasting periods, as the body adapts to using fat for fuel. Additionally, intermittent fasting is generally safe for various populations, including healthy adults and those looking to manage weight. However, individuals with specific health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Success stories and testimonials. Intermittent fasting has transformed the lives of many individuals, showcasing a variety of inspiring success stories. For instance, one woman lost over 30 pounds in just a few months, sharing her journey of increased energy and improved mood. Another man, who struggled with weight for years, found success through the 16/8 method, shedding 50 pounds and gaining confidence. Before and after visuals highlight these remarkable transformations, illustrating the effectiveness of intermittent fasting. These diverse experiences resonate with a broad audience, showing that anyone can achieve their weight loss goals. We encourage you to envision your own success through fasting, as it could be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Conclusion. In summary, intermittent fasting is an effective and beneficial strategy for weight loss, offering a sustainable approach that enhances fat burning and improves insulin sensitivity. With various fasting schedules available, it provides flexibility and can lead to fewer cravings, making it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. We encourage you to consider trying intermittent fasting for yourself, as it may be the solution you've been looking for. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Stay tuned for more content on health and wellness, and remember, your journey to a healthier you starts today.